That is so annoying. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in like forever. Today I'm gonna be doing a like everyday makeup routine. I'm talking so annoyingly. So today I'm gonna be doing a everyday makeup routine, and I'm really bad at makeup and I don't know if I'm using these products right, so please don't like roast me in the comments down below.
Okay, but if you just take a moment, you could see like about 100 things you could roast me about right now. So please don't come for me.
It's fine if you do whatever. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. I'm gonna put everything in here, so to take the thumbnail, you know. First, I'm just gonna wipe off my face, clean everything. Why am I like crying from this? Okay, so I just used this like Tarte eyelash curler that I got from Sephora, and I'm also using the Roller Lash mascara. Okay. My lips are way too chapped and it's not going well. I look so dumb when I do that. Oh hell no! Okay, after that I'm just gonna use the Glossier Boy Brown Black to give myself eyebrows because your girl needs help. Really bugging me. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the brows as that. I think that's good. Not really. Okay, next I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Beam. I like squirted half of this on the ground. Sorry, mom. I'm just gonna take this on my fingers and like pat this in. It kind of looks weird, but it's fine. Okay, and recently I've been trying to put like a little bit on my nose, kind of like that. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Highlight, I'm using the Glossier Halo Scope in the shade Quartz. And like, I know people just go like this and then they like pat it on, but for me, that's too much work. So I usually just go like this. And then I pat it out with my fingers. I don't want to put too much on. And then I put some like on my nose. And like down my nose. Oh great, people are walking by and staring at me. So we're almost done, but my lips are super chapped. Haha, found it. So whenever my lips are chapped, I use the Burt's Bees Beeswax lip balm because it's like one of the only lip balms that actually cures my chappedness. I also really like the Glossier coconutbalm.com, so I just used the Rimmel Stay Glossy Clear Gloss. It looks super weird because of all like the air bubbles inside, but that's fine.